Hello, welcome to another creative visualization, and this one's called Stargaze. So as usual, assume a comfortable position, seated or lying, making sure there are no distractions and that you're warm enough. Let your body become relaxed. Gently close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply. Inhaling, and as you exhale, feel your body become more relaxed. With each exhalation, feeling any tension falling away from your body. More and more relaxed. More and more relaxed. You feel alone. No one feels as you do. All you can see ahead is darkness. Then, in the distance, is a pinprick of white light. As you focus on this light, a vision appears. You are standing before a shimmering portal of iridescent light. A portal of light between worlds. You approach and enter the portal. You are turned around, spun around, turned upside down, spinning in all different directions. Then you feel centered and completely weightless. With a jolt, the sensations cease and you step out of the portal. You find yourself in a spaceship. Standing at the ship's controls is a being that is human in appearance but has pale blue skin. They say they have sent for you to show you the wonders of healing. You feel you can trust them and take a seat. The seat is so comfortable you are able to relax in it. The seat tilts back and you are able to assume an even more comfortable position. The being asks you to focus on any issues you may be dealing with. Pain, anger, anguish, frustration, discomfort, confusion. They then place their hands on either side of your head. Their hands are smooth, warm and soft, and they feel like they are melting right into your body. You can feel a calming, pulsing sensation. It feels as if they are slowly sucking any issues you may have out of your body. As you look up at them, they are smiling, but their skin is turning grey. They remove their hands and their skin regains its pale blue colour again. They walk over to the wall of the ship, and there are two large glass cylinders that go from floor to ceiling. They are both glowing. One looks like it contains bright yellow liquid, and the other aqua blue liquid. The being walks over to the bright yellow cylinder. They explain this is the essence of many suns. A dose will give you vitality and energy. It's so strong it can beat any physical issues. They place their hands on the cylinder and their skin turns a bright yellow. They walk over to you and once again place their hands on the sides of your head. You can feel the warming yellow colour radiating around your head. Down your neck. Through your chest. Down your arms and hands. Throughout your upper and lower body. Down your legs, all the way to your feet. You look up at them in wonder, and their skin has returned to pale blue once again. The being walks over to the aqua blue cylinder. They explain this is the essence of many moons. A dose will calm your soul. Soothe nerves. It's so potent it can alleviate any emotional issues. They place their hands on the cylinder and their skin turns aqua blue. They walk over to you and place their hands on the soles of your feet. You can feel the aqua blue colour flowing through your feet, up your legs, up your lower and upper body. Up to your chest, your hands, arms, up to your neck, and all around your head. You look up at the being and their skin has returned to pale blue once again. You have so many questions for this beautiful being, but they say you must leave now while the portal is still open. They take both of your hands in theirs and help you out of the chair. An incredible warmth, like white liquid light, courses through your veins. You feel like you've been washed on the inside. You approach and enter the portal of light. You are turned around, spun around, turned upside down, spun in all different directions. Then you feel centered and completely weightless. With a jolt, the sensations cease and you step out of the portal. Let this vision go. Become aware of the darkness behind your eyelids, the comforting darkness. Become aware of any external noises. Become aware of your body and how it's positioned. Become aware of the weight of your body. Now slowly open your eyes. So thank you for listening. I hope you can take this healing with you, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Till next time, bye.